In healthcare, where every detail matters, the tools we rely on must meet the highest standards of safety and precision. That's why stainless steel is the material of choice for medical devices. But it only reveals its full potential with one critical step: passivation. Passivation is a chemical treatment that removes contaminants and enhances the chromium oxide layer on stainless steel. By doing so, it dramatically improves corrosion resistance, protecting both the device's longevity and, more importantly, patient safety. Here's why passivation matters. Corrosion resistance. Medical tools encounter sterilization and exposure to bodily fluids. Passivation prevents oxidation and rust, ensuring safe and lasting performance. Biocompatibility. Especially in implants and instruments, a passivated surface is far more tolerant to human tissue, reducing risk of irritation or allergic reactions. Sterilization readiness. Passivated surfaces are smoother and free of microcontaminants, making them easier to clean and sterilize, reducing infection risk. Longevity and cost efficiency. Devices that resist wear and corrosion tend to last longer, saving healthcare providers money and delivering consistent reliability in patient care. At New England Electropolishing, we specialize in stainless steel passivation tailored for critical medical applications. Each device we treat undergoes meticulous preparation, meeting rigorous quality and regulatory standards. Supporting the people who support life. To learn how our services help elevate medical device safety, visit our website today.